Hello, this is Aristatech, and today we are demonstrating how to attach a rail kit on a switch as well as the racking process. In this video, we will be demonstrating on a brand new 7020TR-48 switch. Here we have one of the rails that needs to be attached to the side of the switch. On the switch there are 6 pieces to help indicate where to line up the rail. To attach, simply align the holes on the rail to the side of the switch. Make sure the rolling discs are in the direction of the back of the switch where the fans and the PSUs are. Once aligned, you will slide the rail the opposite way and do the same on the other side. Next, you will use the rolling disc to slide into the brackets on the rack. Once you have both sides in the bracket, you will gently push and slide the switch onto the rack itself. Make sure the 2 metal bolts are both lined up to screw in on each side, and that is how you successfully rack the switch. In case of any questions, please reach out to support@arista.com or call one of our hotline numbers. More details will be available. Follow the link in the description.